Good day, beloveds, and welcome. Welcome to this series of Love Attraction Essential Oils. If you haven't watched my previous series about prosperity consciousness essential oils, I did in January. I highly encourage you to watch those series of videos. And at the end of that series, you will find out about the prosperity consciousness blend. Now, these love attraction essential oils are from the same author of the same book that I am referencing. You can see a picture here. And we're going to go through 5 essential oils for love attraction. And of course, the love attraction, this author talks about in the book 10 Traditional Prosperity Oils for Attraction. She is suggesting that these essential oils are for perhaps romantic love, but you can use your intention for the type of love you're seeking in your life. It can be romantic love, it could be sisterly love or brotherly love or just love in general. I think we can all agree that there is more love that is needed in the world today, but any form, shape, or fashion. So we're going to get started with our Love Attraction Essential Oils. And if you're new here, welcome. I am Danny. I am an aromatherapist and social worker, and I enjoy sharing information to enhance our overall quality of life and well-being. So you may have guessed it, our first essential oil for this series is none other than, you can see this picture up here, ylang ylang or ylang ylang, however you choose to pronounce it. And I have my ylang ylang right here. I'm gonna take a whiff from the cap. Smells wonderful. So at the end of this series, you'll have a love attraction blend for you to make for yourself or someone you love. So to tell you a little bit about ylang ylang, it's known to stimulate feelings of enjoyment and self-confidence and can be helpful for overcoming fear and performance anxiety. Also, it's used in massage oil lubricants to relieve nervous tension. It's effective in reducing emotional blockages in the heart region. All right. Ylang ylang is a feminine yin oil. Ylang ylang is passionate and alive with feeling. When you use it, you can use it when you're needing to integrate heal shadowy elements of feminine and feelings side of your nature. So this author is suggesting that if you want to get in touch with your feminine side of your nature, that you can use ylang ylang for that. Okay, more speaking to our male counterparts. It says often used in men fragrances. And ylang ylang is healing oil for men. It supports a man's connection and expression of the feminine and intuitive side of his nature. This essential oil synchronizes the mind and emotions and softens fixed opinions, mental attitudes, and judgments, and promotes easy communication with others. And we certainly could use help in that area sometimes when we're relating to other people, right? And last but not least, this essential oil smooths tension, okay? Tense situations and heals relationships with yourself and others. Okay, so it's suggested to using this essential oil for these benefits. It's certainly not a prescription for anything that someone may be going through related to these attributes that have been mentioned. So it's not a prescription for anyone who may be taking any sort of prescribed medication. That's not what we're saying, but we're offering, and this author is authoring of this book, is offering that you can use this essential oil for these particular enhancements in your life. And of course, I'm always talking about therapeutic properties with essential oil. So you know I'm going to share, right? So give me a moment and we're going to share my screen where we're talking about Ylang Ylang essential oil. Let's see. I'm going to share this screen here and go to it right readily. Here you go. So this essential oil is known to be analgesic, an antidepressant. It's known to reduce oily skin and scalp. It's known to help fight germs and infections. It's known to be an aphrodisiac. It's known to lower high blood pressure, to be a sedative to the nerves, to be a stimulant to the circulatory system, and to be a tonic for the heart. And you'll get this information sheet, of course, in the description for you to download and have for yourself. So going further on this information sheet, you have the key body systems this essential oil work with, and they are the nervous system, circulatory, and reproductive. Right above the key body systems is the key emotions. And it's suggested that this essential oil can help to enhance or bring into your life these key attributes as it relates to emotions. And they are passion, fortifying, giving, gratitude, pleasing, serenity, and rejoicing. Okay. And then if you move to the first page of this information sheet, you have information in this blue box, which are safety notes, okay? And it reads that it's non-toxic and non-irritating, and use in moderation. Too much can cause a headache or nausea. So it's saying use it in moderation, because too much of it can cause a headache or nausea. Right below the safety notes is another box with how do I use it, right? So it's suggesting that we could use this essential oil in a tub, following these instructions, in the air, using a diffuser. We can breathe in and out, okay? Using these applications, we can rub it in, we can put it on using a roller bottle, and we can make a spritzer. So if you choose to, use this essential oil by itself, you can certainly follow the instructions on the how do I use it box for your application. And then on the side here, it does have some other essential oils that it blends well with. It's just information, like a FYI for you, in case you want to get into blending or anything like that. So next to the safety notes is tried and true uses. And above that is introductory information for this essential oil for you to have. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen here. So that is the information that I have for you today about Ylang Ylang essential oil. Stay with me for this 5-part series on love attraction essential oils. If you found this information useful or beneficial, please let me know in the comments. If you have any questions that you need to ask, certainly ask those questions in the comments. Again, I'll put this information that I've read from the information sheet in the description for you to have. And as always, it's a pleasure to serve you. And let's continue to learn, grow, share together naturally. Until next time, God bless you. I love you. Bye-bye now. Thank you, beloveds, for watching. If you've subscribed to my channel or liked this video or shared it with anyone you think may be interested, I am truly thankful for you. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Again, I thank you. God bless you, and I love you.